breaking news that's coming in. There seems to be trouble for BJP Mandi candidate Kangana Ranaut over her Pappu remark. The Congress has filed a complaint with the Election Commission terming the comments by Kangana Ranaut as derogatory and filthy. And I'm being joined by my colleague Amandeep. Amandeep, could you explain the context of what really has now turned extremely controversial?
Well, absolutely, Neha. Now the Congress party of Himachal Pradesh has filed a complaint with the Election Commission of India and in fact with Election Commission of Himachal Pradesh as well. And in that complaint, they are seeking the action against Kangana Ranaut for his remarks regarding the Pappu, Chota Pappu and the remarks that has been put out by Kangana Ranaut against the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray as well. Just because during a rally yesterday, day before yesterday, in fact, Kangana has hit out the Congress party with the statement in a public address terming Rahul Gandhi, Vikramaditya Pappu, Chota Pappu, and also certain kind of statement was given by Kangana Ranaut in a public address and connecting that dots to the old case when her office and house was targeted by Maharashtra, Bombay, in fact Bombay Municipal Corporation. And in fact now the EC, in that complaint the Congress mentioned all these things and in fact they are seeking the action against Kangana Ranaut. They have also mentioned that Kangana was time and again using the filthy and derogatory language against the Congress party and the Congress leaders, which is not acceptable and which is the violation of model code of conduct as well. And in fact, they have also seeking the action. So let's wait and watch what is the action, what action would be taken by Election Commission regarding these remarks. Just because earlier Kangana was on the target of the Congress party, but this time, after a gap of 4 to 5 days, when Kangana returned from Mumbai, she resumed her campaign in Mandi. She hit out the Congress like anything, and now Congress is on the back foot and started complaining about Kangana's statements. Yes.